Right guys, in this video I want to talk about this product here. Now I've already taken everything out of the box, but it's the ORSKEY Dashcam front and rear cameras, and it also comes with a 30GB Ultra HD memory card. Now for £32 it's a definite win. You can see these on TikTok and they're selling them, you know, daft prices and that, but I've had a few of these. Got one in my wife's car, my daughter's got one in her car. In my car that I've just sold, I had one, so I had to purchase another one to fit into the next car I am going to be using, which is a Audi convertible. Now, I don't like using these things that come with it, that you plug into the, you know, the auxiliary port, whatever you want to call it now, you know, the 12-volt output cigarette lighter socket, I used to call them. And then we have the wire trailing all the way up into, you know, your dashboard or whatever. It just looks ugly. Now I'm going to show you a way. You can buy a kit that basically does away with this and then has it hardwired into the car electrics. But I'm going to show you how we can utilize this to do the same thing. I'll leave a link to the equivalent that you've got to purchase separately to do what I'm going to show you how to do. It's pretty simple. All you need is a soldering iron. But anyway, just quickly, I'll just show you what you get. There's a camera itself, the main one. We've got bits on it already. That's no good. And it does feel like you've got a little digital camera in your hand. It's got a nice weight to it. It feels pretty premium for the price, to be honest. Also comes with the suction mount there for the window. And then it gives you the option to put it straight onto your dashboard as well if you want to. Now, this one comes with the reversing camera. Going to be a bit of a pain for me where to fit it because, like I said, it's a convertible. On my last car, we've got it in the back window facing outwards. Obviously, a convertible, the roof is going to go down at some point, so that makes that useless. So we'll figure that out at a later date anyway. But I will show you the installation process I will be doing. So I've got this hardwired into, I usually put this at the top of the screen in my car, not down on the, you know, so I've got it up there. And then these cables, like I said, this will plug into here. You've done this before if you've got one in anyway. Then this goes all the way down to wherever the socket is. So you can have a cable hanging somewhere. It just doesn't look good to me. So what I'm going to do is show you how we can utilize this and get it hardwired into the, I'm going to use it on the, I'll show you the installation, but I'm going to use it on the, you know, where the lights are for the interior lighting. Up in that top section there, it's usually got a 12-volt live that you can utilize. So we're going to take this apart and I'll show you the wiring, and then all we need is to find an earth and a 12-volt live, and then we're going to have the camera neatly installed, no ugly wires on show, and yet saves you buying the adapter to do this yourself. So this always comes with the you know, the dash cams, and people are maybe a little bit scared about busting this open. It's got the same little circuit board inside, and then we just need to get this wired up and this wired up, get rid of all this. And yeah, anyway, I'll show you in the next video how we do that. But it's pretty simple. But these are a definite win for the price. ORSKEY, I think they're called, yeah. ORSKEY Dashcam 1080p. Really good quality for the price. Memory card's already installed there. And yeah, definite win. I will show you the fitting process in video number 3. But in the next video, if you want to see how to turn this into your little adapter kit so we can have it hardwired forever, stick around. The video's coming shortly.